The most stunning lip combo. So this is the lip combo. So good. I'm like a proper brown shade. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gunjan and you're watching Travels with Sharma. It is so cold right now and it is such an ideal time to make a video on all winter lip combos. We all have those lipsticks that looks amazing online, but when we buy it, it looks horrible on us or we just don't enjoy applying it. So today I have like certain lip combos which are gonna suit a maximum of you out there. Along with that, these are the lip combos that are gonna work amazingly for winters, and you can also use it for summers as well. But for winters, they're gonna look bomb. Also, an advice before trying any lip combo to have your lips hydrated, either with a lip oil or lip balm or anything, and then only use these lip combos because we either get 2 layers or 3 layers of lip products on our lips, and we definitely need some care. And you have to wait till the end because we have got glossy lip combos in the end that turned out to be so amazing when I tried them by myself yesterday. So we have got everyday winter lip combo, we have got nude lip combo, we have got bold lip combo, we have got some sort of mauve lip combo, and lastly we have got this some glossy lip combos. So let's get started with this video. The first lip combo we are creating today is this one. It's basically a nude lip combo, but we have got like that winter touch with a bold lip liner. So firstly we have this lip liner from Mars Cosmetics, which is the Bloodbath 03 Bloodbath. First we're gonna apply this one. This has to be such an ideal lip liner for winters when you want to go out there. So I always make sure that I bold my lips with the lip liner. Like I'm gonna go in with this Elitine's tan nude shade. Such an amazing nude lipstick. We have got the hint of pink as well. So I'm just gonna use it in the between. Just this. And I'm gonna smudge it. This is the most amazing nude lip combo that you're gonna have for winters, and that's why it's not subtle. If you want, there's always an option to add a lip oil rather than a lip gloss. I have with me the Swiss Beauty's lip oil in the shade, I think this is strawberry. So I'm gonna use it in between, like this much, because it's a pH lip oil, so it's not gonna give you additional color. It's gonna go as per your lip pH. So this is the first lip combo, which I am absolutely loving. This is definitely winter approved lip combo. Because we are doing winter coded, it's actually not very nude. It turned out to be a little bit darker as we have used a lipstick which has brown and pink tone. So this is how it turned out. I mean, lovely. Because last lip combo turned out to be a little darker than we thought in the category for nude lip combo. Let me show you a lip combo which is actually very subtle and you can go in with for your winters. Firstly, we're gonna start with a very nude shade of lip liner that is 16 Peachy Glow, again from Mars Cosmetics. And with this, I'm gonna use the Swiss Beauty's lipstick in the shade Choco Lava. Both of them are literally kind of similar shades. I always say this, that you should always have a nude lip liner. Like you can hardly see if I applied any lip liner, but it is slightly in brown color, and that's why it's not that visible. This lipstick is so freaking good. Like you can see, it's a brown. You guys can see actually it's a brown and a very light hint of red is going on. Let me just use it in between. I think that's it. Now can you see that effect, how in the middle your lips are a little darker, but on the outline side it's a bit lighter because of the lip liner, and that's why it has to be my favorite when it comes to a nude lip combo, like the one which I can go in the afternoons as well. I think in terms of the nude combo, the previous one was a bit darker on the pink side, but this is the nude, like a proper brown shade, which I am loving, and I will definitely say that it will look better in daylight. Like just look at it. I think this is the shade which is not very dark, very light. It is for everyone out there, and even for Indian skin tone. And you always have an option of applying a lip oil. So I'm going to show you with a lip oil. Winters are not about having dry lips. It is all about having some glossy finished sort of lips. Now let's finally get a lip combo which is bit mauve, and I'm sure many of you out there might be waiting for some sort of strong pink shade, like some sort of bold pink lip shade. So we are creating that lip combo. Mauve shades are something which makes you stand out. Like if you're someone who wants to have a very pop of color out there, and winters are made for mauve shades. For that we have the Stays 99 Scarlet Whisper shade 02. For someone who love rosy mauve shades, like pink shades, subtle shades, because we have got two shades. One is the lighter one, and the other side we've got the darker shade. So it's like a 3-in-1 sort of lipstick where you can create 3 different shades. And with this, I'm gonna go in with a pink lip liner, and for that I have the Steamy Pink 06. We have the 09 Steamy Pink again from Mars Cosmetics. I'm literally a fan of their lip liners. First, I'm going to apply the darker shade of this lipstick. I'm gonna leave a room for the lip liner, that's why I've not filled my corners. Now let's use the lip liner. As you guys can see, I'm also making one more layer above the lipstick. And it is creating like a light sort of pink shade. I'm gonna fill my corners. This is the shade for you, like this is the proper pink shade. I don't know why is this coming off as a red shade, but let me just change the camera angle. This is how the shade is looking, so pinky. And if you feel like this is too pinky for you, you can always add a nude lip gloss. So I'm gonna use this lip gloss from Mars Cosmetics in the shade Jelly Bean. It's like a perfect brown shade. It's like a perfect brown shade. I'm gonna use it properly. And this is the lip combo that you need for someone who loves applying pink lipstick. Like, so good. I'm literally surprised. I didn't know this will turn out to be so good. Wow. What do you guys think? Like, aren't you guys enjoying this lip combo? This is going to be the ideal shade for your parties, like for your night outings. So good. It just makes you stand out from the crowd. Gets you all the attention. Before I get ahead with a bold lip combo, I want to show you a lip combo where your lip liner will be much prominent than your lipstick. So we're going to be using a lip liner and just a gloss, not any sort of lipstick. So for this, I'm using the Faces Canada Kajal for my lips, not a lip liner. And just let me just do it. Just this. Now I'm going to use a lip gloss in between. Okay, so I'm now going to again use the Jelly Bean lip gloss for this. I'm going to use it all over. Like, can you guys see what I was trying to build? You can use your favorite brown lip liner if you have, but I love this product, Faces Canada's Kajal, but I love this product as a lip liner, and that's why I use it. Just look at it. Isn't it the most stunning lip combo of this entire video? This is the most surprising lip combo for me. It is not my vibe, but I'm sure there are so many people who enjoy doing their lip combos around brown, especially dark brown, and who all might not enjoy applying nude lipstick, and this is the shade for them. Now comes the lip combo, which is one of the most boldest lip combo of this entire video. For this, I'll be using a wine eyeliner. Like, you can use a wine lip liner as well, but I don't have a wine lip liner. That's why I'm using an eyeliner, and I've used it in the past as well. It works out so well. Firstly, I'm going to use this wine eyeliner from Swiss Beauty. It's actually you guys who told me that I could use eye product as a lip liner and a lip liner as an eye product, which is such a great hack. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Paris Most Amazing Formula lipstick. This is in the shade 500 Why Not, one of the most darkest lipstick I've ever had or owned. But the formula is freaking amazing. I'm someone who not really apply bold lipstick, mother use it, but I'm gonna show you how I use it for myself. Can you see how amazingly the wine eyeliner has fit with this wine not lipstick, because both of them are wine in shade? You always have an option to apply a nude lipstick on top of this to make it bit lighter. This has turned out to be a lip combo for the ones who love applying burgundy shades, bold lips. Like my friend also loves this kind of shades and she absolutely loved it, but I'm not really comfortable, or I don't feel very confident, or I don't feel like I look beautiful when I have such lips on, and this is very highlighting for me. So it has got dried up so fast, and that's what I love about this lipstick. So this is the lip combo. And I think this is it for today's video. These are the lip combos that I really wanted to try, and I wanted to come out of my comfort to show you guys that this is something that you can do. I am someone who wants to experiment with lipstick, and that is what I did today for you all, because many of you might not enjoy nude lipstick, and some of you like pink shades, some of you enjoy red shades, some of you also want to try some brown shades, and that is what I did in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched it till here, my mic has literally gone out of battery, and that's why you might hear noises in the background. So yeah, take care, keep subscribing, keep following me on my Instagram, and we'll be coming up with new makeup videos as well. Just let me know in the comments which has been your favorite lip combo, and write lip combo if you watched this video till the end. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all.